Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a group in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of an Office 365, and I'm also using the desktop application of an Outlook, so not the browser version, but the desktop version. So what you want to do is to go to the people, which is this icon out here. Maybe you have the bar on the bottom. It doesn't matter, just click on the people, and as you can see, I have this group right here. And to delete it, I just need to right click on the group and then just click delete. And this is it. This is how you can delete groups in Outlook. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!